Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
There are 52 schools exclusively from rural areas. And again, they are from families wherein the family members do not have any formal education. So the whole idea is that how to spread or make awareness about the science and its role in uplifting the life of the common man. So that is the kind of thing. Therefore, this is a very particular aspect we have done this time. 52 schools from rural areas.
As usual, we will have expo, an exhibition, and this year exhibition will be in the Inox foyer as well as in the old GMC building. Now in this, a new thing we have is Go Vigyan Expo. Now there are so many products which are developed from cow dung or cow urine, and so many novel things have come up, including making of biodegradable idols, right? For Goans, making idols of Ganesha is a very big thing, and it's our main festival. So for that, instead of plaster of Paris, its technology has already been developed to make idols with cow dung, and that will be demonstrated here.
What we believe is it's starting to go beyond the simple science festival. There is a lot of engagement for the students. I think it's a good exposure. So science, definitely from films people learn. It's a good way of engaging. The other way is also exposing them to new ideas and new technologies. So having an event like that does it.